Hey everyone, today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Plymouth Satellite. Plymouth's return to the spotlight with this model is generating a lot of buzz, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. From its sleek design to its impressive performance, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Exterior design. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Plymouth Satellite brings back some classic vibes while incorporating modern touches. The front grille has a bold, distinctive look with LED headlights that give it a futuristic edge. The sculpted body lines not only enhance its aerodynamics but also add to its sporty appearance. And those 19-inch alloy wheels? They're not just for show, they contribute to a smooth, responsive drive. Interior design. Step inside and you'll find a cabin designed for both comfort and convenience. The interior of the Satellite is spacious, with high-quality materials and a layout that's both functional and stylish. The dashboard features a large touchscreen display with Plymouth's latest infotainment system, complete with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, and the driver's seat offers 12-way power adjustment, so you'll always find the perfect driving position. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Satellite comes with two engine options. The base model features a 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering a solid 300 horsepower. If you're looking for more power, the optional 5.0-liter V8 cranks out 450 horsepower, making it ideal for those who crave a more exhilarating driving experience. The Satellite also boasts an advanced suspension system that ensures a smooth ride, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding country roads. Technology and safety. When it comes to technology, the Plymouth Satellite doesn't disappoint. It includes a comprehensive suite of safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Additionally, the car's parking assistance and 360-degree camera system make maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. What sets the 2025 Satellite apart from its competitors? For starters, it has a unique Horizon package which adds a panoramic sunroof and special exterior paint options. There's also an innovative energy-saving mode that optimizes fuel efficiency based on driving patterns, making the Satellite one of the more eco-friendly options in its class. So, there you have it. The 2025 Plymouth Satellite is a blend of classic charm and modern innovation. With its stylish design, powerful performance options, and cutting-edge technology, it's clear that Plymouth is making a strong statement with this model. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or a car that stands out from the crowd, the Satellite is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the 2025 Plymouth Satellite. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.